Hey guys, in this video we're going to talk about how you can join meeting in Microsoft Teams. But before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. So the first thing you would need to join a meeting will be its ID and passcode. To get it, you can just tell your friend or the authority to share it with you so that you can join the meeting. Here in the notepad, you can see that I have a meeting ID and passcode to join the meeting. And once you have them, open up your Microsoft Teams application on your PC and make sure you're logged in over there. And you will be on the home page of the app. Just go over to calendar icon from the menu and you'll notice there are three options available: new meeting, meet now, and join with an ID. Just click on join with an ID, paste the meeting ID in the box and then paste the passcode along with it. And click on join meeting, and you will be asked to set up your settings before joining the meeting, and that's it. This is basically how you can join meeting in Microsoft Teams. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. I'll be meeting in the next one. See you soon. Bye.